If you're running a business in New Jersey and want to operate under a name different from your official legal name, you'll need to file what's called a DBA, or Doing Business As. This registration allows sole proprietors, limited liability companies, corporations, and partnerships to conduct business using a trade name or fictitious name that better represents their brand. A DBA is essentially a legal alias for your business. It lets you market your services, open bank accounts, and sign contracts under a name that might be more memorable or descriptive than your registered business name. However, it's important to understand what a DBA doesn't do. It doesn't create a new legal entity. You're still operating as your original business structure, whether that's a sole proprietorship, limited liability company, or corporation. Filing a DBA also doesn't provide exclusive rights to your business name. Unlike a trademark, a DBA registration won't prevent others from using the same or similar name. If you want true legal protection for your brand, you'll need to apply for a trademark through the United States Patent and Trademark Office. Additionally, a DBA doesn't replace the need to properly incorporate or form a limited liability company. You must establish your legal business structure first before applying for a DBA. The filing process in New Jersey depends on your business structure. Sole proprietors and partnerships file their DBA with the county clerk's office in the county where the business operates. Limited liability companies and corporations file with the New Jersey Division of Revenue and Enterprise Services using a form called the Registration of Alternate Name. Before you file, you need to choose an available name. Start by searching the New Jersey Business Name Database through the Division of Revenue website to make sure your desired name isn't already taken. You should also check the United States Patent and Trademark Office database to avoid conflicts with existing trademarks. Be careful with restricted words that imply professional licensing, like doctor or lawyer, as these require proper credentials. Your chosen name should be clear, unique, and not too similar to existing business names to avoid confusion. When you're ready to file, you'll need to gather specific information. This includes your current legal business name, exactly as it appears in your registration documents, your business identification number used for tax and legal purposes, the date your business was incorporated or formed, and the fictitious name or names you intend to use. You'll also need to explain your reasons for using the alternate name, such as for advertising, sales, or customer-facing operations. The filing fees vary depending on where and how you file. State-level registration with the Division of Revenue typically costs $50. County-level fees for sole proprietors range from $50 to $60. You can submit your application by mail or fax, and processing fees are usually paid by check. State-level filings generally take 2 to 3 weeks to process, while county processing times may vary. New Jersey uses several forms for DBA management. The main registration form is the C-150G, which remains valid for 5 years. When your registration expires, you'll need to file a C-150R renewal form to maintain your DBA. If you want to stop using a DBA, you'll file a C-150B termination form. This allows you to cancel the current name and potentially register a different one if needed. Once your DBA is approved, you'll use it in various business and legal situations. Banks in New Jersey typically require an official copy of your DBA filing before they'll open a business account in that name. You'll also use your DBA when signing contracts, invoicing customers, applying for permits and licenses, and in all your branding and advertising materials. Having a registered DBA makes your business appear more professional and trustworthy to customers. It's worth noting that businesses can register multiple DBAs if they operate different divisions or product lines under separate names. Each DBA requires its own application and filing fee. Keep accurate records of all your DBA filings, including registration dates and renewal deadlines for both business and legal purposes. A DBA is an important tool for establishing your business identity in the marketplace. While it doesn't provide the same legal protections as incorporation or trademark registration, it does give you the legal standing to operate under a name that better represents your brand. The registration process protects both you and your customers by creating a public record of your business operations. Taking the time to properly register and maintain your DBA helps position your business for success and ensures you're operating in compliance with New Jersey law.